Hello guys, this is Muhammad from How to PC. Today I walk through how to show the value icon missing from the Windows taskbar. You see under in the bottom right, we don't have any icon of volume. You go to Windows icon and go to setting. From setting, go to taskbar, click on it, and you scroll down until you will see select which icon appear on the taskbar. Click on it and you will see you're looking for volume. You see we need to turn on. Let's see again. You'll see the volume is turned. uh, and this video for today hope for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.